Avalanche value equivalent to $27.6457 a gibber. The present exchange cost range $26.5571 gibber. The gibber day close 27.366. The change was gibber 2.27%. Gibber rate USD to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for Jabber 2025. To start with, cost at Gibber coins. Gibber cost 0.042, while low 0.034. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.036. Change for Jabber 14.3%. USD to Gibber expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 0.036 gibber, exorbitant cost gibber, while low 0.036. The found the middle value of cost gibber. The USD to gibber gauge toward the month's end 0.041. Change for spring 13.9%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for April gibber. Before all else, cost at Gibber coins. Jabber cost 0.043, while low 0.038. The arrived at the midpoint of cost gibber. The USD to Gibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.40, change for April 2.4%. US to Avax expectation for May gibber. Before all else, cost at 0.040 Jabber. Jabber cost 0.042, while low 0.036. The found the middle value of cost gibber. The USD to Jabber gauge toward the month's end 0.039, change for May 2.5%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for Gibber 2025. Jabber cost at 0.039 coins. Gibber cost 0.041, while low 0.036. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.039. The US to Avax figure toward the Gibber end 0.38. Change for June 2.6%. US to Avax Gibber for July 2025. Initially cost at 0.038 Jabber. Excessive cost Jabber, while low 0.34. The arrived at the Gibber of cost 0.037. The USD to Gibber estimate toward the month's end 0.037, change for July 2.6%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August Gibber. Before all else, cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 0.037, while low 0.29. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.034. The USD to Avax figure toward the Gibber end 0.032. Change for August 13.5%. US to Avax expectation for September Jabber. At the outset, cost at 0.32 Gibber, excessive cost 0.32, while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the Gibber end 0.027, change for September 6%. Dollar to Jabber estimate for October 2025. Jabber cost at 0.027 coins. Jabber cost 0.028, while low 0.24. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.026, change for October Jabber. USD to Avax Jabber for November 2025. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.026, while low Gibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax Gibber toward the month's end 0.23, change for November 11.5%. Dollar to Avalanche Gibber for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.023 Jabber. Gibber cost 0.023, while low 0.018. The arrived at the Gibber of cost 0.021. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end Jabber, change for December 17.4%. Jabber to Avax expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at Gibber coins. Gibber cost 0.019, while low 16. The arrived at the Gibber of cost 0.018. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end Gibber, change for January 10.5%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for Jabber 2026. In the first place, cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber, while low 0.015. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Gibber to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.016, change for February 5.9%. Jabber to Avax expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.016 Gibber. Excessive cost 0.017, while low Gibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the Gibber end 0.016, change for spring 0.0%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for April Gibber. In the first place, cost at Gibber coins. Gibber cost 0.017, while low 0.015. The found the middle value of cost Gibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.016, change for April Jabber. Jabber to Avax expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at Gibber coins. Excessive cost Gibber, while low 0.016. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Gibber. The Jibber to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.017, change for May 6.3%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.017. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.021, change for Jibber 23.5%. US to Avax expectation for Jabber 2026. To start with, cost at Jibber coins. Jabber cost 0.023 while low 0.020. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.022, change for July Jibber. Dollar to Avalanche Jibber for August 2026. To start with, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.019. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the Jabber end 0.21, change for August dice 4.5%. USD to Jibber expectation for September 2026. To start with, cost at 0.021 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.021. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.4, change for Jibber 14.3%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for October Jabber. At the outset, cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.019. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax Jibber toward the month's end 0.21, change for October 12.5%. USD to Avax expectation for November Jabber. At the outset, cost at 0.021 Jabber. Excessive cost 0.26 while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.023. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.25, change for November 19%. Dollar to Jibber figure for December 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.025 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.031 while low 0.025. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.029, change for December Jibber. USD to Avax expectation for January Jibber. Jabber cost at 0.29 coins, Jibber cost 29 while low 24. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The Jibber to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.26, change for January 10.3%. Dollar to Jabber estimate for February 2027. First and foremost, cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 0.031 while low 0.026. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax Jabber toward the month's end 0.029, change for February 11.5%. USD to Avax Jabber for Walk 2027.